Alright, y'all, we back at you with another video. I know y'all ain't seen me post for a minute. I've been trying to handle some other business, but we did pick up another vehicle to bring to the car channel. So, we gonna show y'all in a little minute which, what we done picked up. I don't know. Can y'all guess in the comments? Y'all let me know in the comments of what y'all think I done brought to bring to the channel to bring some more content to you. And I kind of want to give y'all a little sneak peek because, I had to come get an oil change. I like to make sure every time I get a vehicle, oil change, blah, regular little maintenance. But, we about to get copyrighted, copy. I don't know why they didn't even trip off songs playing in the background, but, it is what it is. But I think I'm going to give y'all a little preview of what y'all could guess and see, but give y'all a little sneak peek of what I might have grabbed, because you might could tell on the lot we on. But we right here at Hilltop Chrysler. They got the, you know what I'm saying? So y'all let me know, can y'all guess what I might have picked up? Is it a Ram? Is it a Jeep? I kind of like this one too. I like the little sport package on there. That black with that blue hit. The nice rims on it. I don't know. What y'all think? Y'all tell me what y'all think. I done picked up. Bring some more car content. Should be already off top. Y'all know if I'm at a, you feel me, a Dodge, Chrysler, Hilltop, it gotta be, Dodge or something, you feel me? Mopar, but which Mopar though? Which one? Can y'all guess? Some of y'all might have seen another video I posted of where I got it from, but can y'all guess on which one? Did I get a Jeep? Did I get, well, these is all Jeeps right here, so. I kind of like these Jeeps too a little bit, well not these ones. Well, these were the Cherokees right here though. I like this track car. But this is a trail car, trail car. That gray in there, that gray pretty clean. We got the little used Honda over here. I like this Maxima too right here. I like Maximas. They always been some good little cars, you feel me? You take care of them. I like these though, these more sportier. This ain't got no roof. Altimas, they good cars too. I like this Altima, got a roof on there too. The roof. Engine. Pearl and that white hitting. Got the Tesla, what is this, the Model 3? Trunk and refrigerant. This is 2018 Model 3. like this 4x4 Jeep. This is a Cherokee. I like that red. Like that cranberry red. It almost look like a candy. It's the V6 joint though. Yeah, it's hella room in there. Look at that big ass gap. This should be no problem to work on and get into. You know, some cars be squished up. Bet you the VA it'll be way up here though. But you know how it'd be hard to get to work on. It's another little Jeep. That's a Compass. I should have told my boy to come up here to get him an SUV. Yeah, I guess this they used cars. See, he going on with the Hemi. That's what I'm talking about. See, that's a big difference. See how it ain't no gap or nothing in there? I like this one too, that gray clean. Interior clean. You got that too, the leather with the suede like on the inside. I like that. It's Hemi clean too though. It's 21 to 392. Alright y'all, so what y'all think? Y'all guess, put in the comments on what you think I done copped to bring to the channel. I'm gonna show you a couple more of these little challengers or whatnot they got up over here. Oh yeah. So we up here getting a little service right quick, so we go wait for the car. I like this dually too. It's got a little rim dually. We got this thing right here. It's very clean too. Base 40. I like that black. I like this gray one right here. This motherfucker clean. Green too. I remember the SXT. Orange, we need orange. Red Charger. But a GT. We got the 392 right here. It's so clean. I like that gray. Ain't got no roof though. 48 for the 22 Sky Packer. That's the base price. That's the total right there. 51. You'll pay like about 55, something like that. In ballpark at the tax license.
Alyssa 128, Alyssa 128.
But yeah, like I say, right now we at Hilltop Chrysler Dodge. You know, just getting a little oil change and try to get y'all a little time, give y'all a little footage of what we doing, and to see if y'all could guess what I done cop for to bring to the channel. You know what I'm saying? You already know it's Chrysler, Dodge, you know, Mopar, but which one? You feel me? So get in the comments, let me know. And yeah, matter of fact, I would do a contest, but we gonna wait on that. I'm gonna bring contests and more, and y'all let me know what kind of content y'all want me to start filming, videoing, because we do got some more stuff, and we gonna get back to you in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, y'all. Did y'all come out with y'all guesses or whatnot? What y'all think? I grabbed, huh? I'm gonna show y'all a little glimpse of the inside. See if y'all still could guess it. And then we're gonna show y'all the outside right now. So what y'all think I got? Did I get the Charger, the Challenger, what y'all think I got? Put it in the comments. We're gonna reveal it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, I told you we back. Had to handle a few things, and so I'm gonna give you a quick review. Quick view, I mean, of what I end up grabbing to bring you to the channel. Y'all ready? Y'all get y'all guesses ready. Did y'all guess it right? Came with the 300C. With that good silver. With the 5.7. Pump the hood, let y'all see. That big boy, you know, it ain't growling or nothing yet, but you know, I'm gonna put some pipes and y'all can see the few mods and stuff. Think the next thing I'm gonna do is put some pipes on it. Too loud, but I do want wood, you feel me? A little wood in it. And I done changed out the grill. And you know, the two bones. I couldn't stand that grill they put on the Chrysler, so I had to swap it out like I did my other one. And I had one before the ones when they first came out. So this ain't my first time being on Hemi Mopar. You feel me? Yeah, we gonna throw some mods in here. I'm gonna try to get a supercharger or swap out the engine with something else. But man, that's what I end up. Y'all guess it right, you feel me? Follow me as we take you on this journey, and, you know.